Now we're going to improve our dashboard, so we're going to do the following. Gonna add some lines, okay, or maybe make it so, okay, like this. I'm gonna freeze this part like this. So view, freeze panes here. So what happened? This. And then I'm going to the developer ribbon, design mode. I'm gonna take this and I put it here. Okay. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna put this here. Okay. I'm going to type here. We can also use some labels. Okay, like this. Edit text. Choose month. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna paste. Choose product. Okay, choose product, choose month. Okay, so then second here, this one, we don't need this, but I'm going to change here in the calculations. Okay, this one is not going to be taken from this one. Okay, oh, I need this. Here I'm going to do the following. This one is going to be equal to match this in this. Okay, exact. Okay, so we have number 7. Okay, I'm gonna take this here, this one, the match on the month, so we don't need this. Okay, we don't need this, so we have this. Go to the dashboard. Okay, and I'm going to change this. There's something wrong here. July 4 for my control this one. Yes, that's good. So now I'm going to calculations here, this one, and this one is I14. So I14 according to this. Okay, we cut this. Okay, and this one, if you remember, format control is properties. Here to calculation, selected prod is this one. This anymore. Okay, so now if I'm going to change, okay, design mode is out. Now I'm going to change this and add list, drop down list, and not down combo, so that I avoid to edit this. I just need to select. Okay, so now we see that we can change this. To change this month, we can also select the month and put this month here. I'm going to leave it this. Okay, and here I also don't want the scale to be changed at all. So let's see how much is the maximum of a duration here. This one 4. I'm going to here axis. I'm going to check. Okay, format. Okay, format axis. We need to also include the added axis. The maximum is 31, 0.31, and this is 0. Okay, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna change this, then I'm gonna click on this axis. I'm gonna remove the vertical. Okay, so if I'm going to change now, August, okay, and then I want a product 5. So this is for the month, and this is a product per month. On this, we are going to do another thing. We're going to show a comparison between the product and the month per month and the budget, and then we're going to show also calculation of a score. Okay, and we will show also this.